Hi guys, my name is Yogesh, and today I am going to demonstrate that how we can bind data list control with your database table and how we can perform edit delete operation in your data list. Okay, so for this demonstration, let me create a new web page, add new item, and I want to give the web page name data list edit delete. This is my web page name. Created. Okay, go to the design section. I'm just taking data list control from the data tab, set some width and height. You can set it from the property window of data list control. Okay, so where is the width and height? Okay, to Z, and here you can see here 100%. Okay, now what is the need of data list and how we can create this, I explained in my last video. So you have to visit my video. There's a data list binding video. Okay, so I have uploaded on my channel. You can upload it also, download it from here. Okay, so the common code to get connect with your database table, that is the using. I'm not going to explain that what is the mean of using, what is the mean of system data configuration, which I have already discussed with you. Using system.data.sql client. To call the configuration, you have to use configuration. Let's create a connection, that is the SQL connection, and this action I will call the configuration manager. This is a class name, configuration manager. This is a class name, and the connection string is the property, and calling the CONN. If you want to see the web config data, then go to the web.config file, connection string, add name CONN, and everything is here. Okay, no need to explain it again. Okay, so data list binding should be performed over here. So select to get the set the database binding. Let me take is post back, and here I am going to take a method named data list example or data list binding. I am going to create a definition for this method name, that is public void data list. Okay, just take select. Not I am using the select. I have already created a stored procedure which is used to get the data from the database table. You can see it here. Create proc sp get info table. It's a very simple procedure. Okay, and as begin select asterisk from info, it means that this command will be executed in behalf of this stored procedure. So no need to make again the stored procedure because I have already added over there. Now data list binding, this is my method, and here I will write the same code which I declared or I have created in my last video. Okay, so SQL data adapter DA equal to new SQL data adapter. Here we will pass the procedure name what I have created in your database. So here I have just taken sp get info table. This is my procedure name, and second option is the connection. Okay, data adapter has been created now. Now go to the data set, ds equal to new data set. Open the connection. Okay, da dot fill ds, da dot fill ds, and after the adding this, you have to bind your data list control, data list 1 dot data source equal to ds data list 1. To show your data, you have to select the data bind method. Without calling of data bind method, nothing will be displayed, either you or you have taken already the data list. Nothing will be shown on your web page. So let me take into the try finally block. So select it, and the surround with, go to the surround with and select the try app. In this finally block I will write some code over here like connection is closed. Now everything is fine. Now I have to set the templates, edit templates, and in this template, as I told you in my last video, we have the item template which is used to show your data in any data control field. Okay, so I am taking here 4 row and 2 columns table. Here I am asking for the ID, here I am asking for the name. You can change the layout of this table by your own hand. Okay, it's your own hand. Now father, name, these 3 fields I am getting from the database table. To show your data I have to use label control. I just want to show the data. I am just repeating it. I just want to show the data, that's why I am using the label control. In any case when the data is not required, you can skip this. Take another label control. Okay, link button has been added here, but in this example I am not going to take link. Another link has been label created. Okay, select and delete this. So it means that 3 label has been created. Now go to the first label, edit data binding, use the code expression eval and select the ID. This is my first field name. Second label, edit data binding, eval, then name. Third, eval and f name. Everything is fine. Now execute it again, then you will see the final output in DataList control. Still I didn't write the code for the edit and delete. I am just displaying the data from your database table. Okay, so you can see the output here, but as I said the DataList width 100%, so the data is scattered, so it's not showing properly. So let me create a width with 50% only, and let me show you that what is the output is actually. Okay, so it's not a good format, so you have to set the format by selecting the smart tag. Go to the auto format, you can choose the professional. After setting the professional, you will get the formatted data. Everything is fine. Now I want that the edit and delete should be performed over here. So how I can do this? Very simple. Go to the edit templates, select 2 buttons over here. First one is the delete button. Okay, I'm not going to create code for the edit in this video because the size of this video is becoming more. So I'm just writing the delete code, delete. Okay, I'm not calling the connection button click. Here I will use the command name. What is the command name? You can see the command okay, so this command is used to delete your data. Okay, delete your data. Edit template, delete your data. Okay, so delete command event will be come here. Now you can here write the code to delete the records from your database table. How we can do this? Let me create a new procedure. Create proc sp delete info. Okay, as begin. Here I have to pass the ID where a user want to delete the records. ID equal to integer. In this begin or end, you will write the simple delete command, delete from info where id equal to @id. Very simple procedure. Select and execute, getting the output over here. In this delete option, you have to call. Now come to the edit templates again. Here you will create the delete, then it will call the delete command which you have written just right. And here I have the item template level 1, level 2, level 3. It means that id is binding with the level 1. So you can display the output of level 1 over here, just writing in this manner, string id. Data list, you have to take a label control, because that is a label control. Without typecasting you can't do anything. Dot items, and this item I will write just code e dot, no need to write the e object over here. Data list 1 dot items dot integer index. What is the mean of integer index? What is the mean of integer index? Here I am going to take the label value. Here I am going to take the label value, but how I can do the mapping to get the table data? I am not getting anything over here. Like data list 1 dot items integer index is asking for the integer index. What is the index is actually? Okay, no need to worry about this. Just go edit template, select the event name, that is the item command event. Okay, this is the item command event. No need to write this code over here, or you can make this. Now here you want to set e dot command name equal to delete. What is the mean is actually you didn't set the delete command name. This is the text. We have a property with the command name. I am writing here just delete. This is my command name. Okay, I am not calling any method, just like this. Let me remove this. Okay, remove this. And templating item, here you can write the code. Let's like string id equal to label data list 1 data list 1 dot items e dot item dot item index. This code will return the selected item index e dot item index. Okay, dot find control. Here we have a level 1 which is bind to the id dot text. Okay, so in this code you will get the text. Response dot write, you can see, check that id is getting or not. Okay, let me execute it again and check the output. You are getting the 1. If you click on this, you are getting the 2. If you click on this, then you are getting the 3. It means that you can retrieve the data from the database table. Okay, so let me comment this, because there is no need to write the response dot write. Now I have to call the stored procedure which is responsible to delete the query from the database, and the procedure name is the sp delete info, and here I am taking the id as well. So how I can do this? Just take SQL data adapter. No need to take the SQL data adapter because we are passing some data. I am just writing SQL command, new SQL command, give the procedure name this is my procedure name and the connection name. Okay, here I am taking a single parameter, that's why I am using SQL parameter equal to new SQL parameter. In this SQL parameter I will write the input variable name and ID. Okay, now the same process, cmd dot parameters dot add, and this add I will write param. Okay, parameter has been added, but another thing is also important, that is a command type. If you write the command type dot stored procedure, everything will be fine. Now connection, open the connection and integer result. In this integer result I will just write a method name, that is the cmd dot execute non-query, and here I am used to select nothing. Okay, so result data will come. Now you can check it, the result is greater than 0. If the result is greater than 0, it means that your data has been successfully inserted in your database table. So what to do? Chalo, just write the response dot write and write a script tag, script alert data has been inserted. Now data has been inserted. Okay, close the script tag. Script you can write it again over here. You go to the else, but in this condition it will not, never will go to the index has been not inserted. Two messages has been put it over here. Okay, everything is fine. Now click on this delete button. The record has been deleted or not? Not confirmed, still not confirmed. Execute it again, then you will find that your data has been deleted here, but your review or your data list is not updated here. So make this update. You have to call this data list method which you have created already. So let me set this into the tryf block. Refactor or surround with, select the tryf. Here I will call connection dot close and fill data list. What is the method name? Is actually data list binding. Data list binding parenthesis. Okay, everything is fine. Execute it again. Then if you want to remove this particular record, click on delete, then you will find your record has been deleted. Now why is not displaying? That is the important part, because you have deleted successfully. You are calling the data list binding. Okay, so in this video tutorial I explained that how we can perform the delete operation